Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We are here at Specialty Sales Classics. They specialize in rare and exotics. The dual carbs into this, that was quite a sight. I love how you guys, the signage too. What is it, you ask? Yes. Yeah, the ones that caught my eye walking in here. Oh, wow.
Suspension underneath it and fourth
Oh,
right here.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like a series of suspension. So,
Is that like any idea what model it comes off of? Is it like a 3 Series?
It's a 65. But the backdraft, they're all made in an assembly line like a regular car.
Oh.
So they're an actual replica. Where this is a kit car, this is a factory 5. Where you buy the kit.
Yeah. I've definitely heard of Factory 5. I haven't heard of the backdrafts.
Yeah, backdraft is actually more expensive because they're done in an assembly line.
Very cool. Any idea what BMW vehicle the suspension is off of?
Jeremy, our lot guy, would be able to tell you that. I know it's off of the M-Series.
Yeah, I can always look it up. Not a big deal. Very cool though. So Factory 5 here. All right. Very cool. Never seen a backdraft in person, or I don't think I have at least. Factory 5. Side by side here. I was gonna say it's pretty beefy.
They always have that.
Nice, easy accessibility. I like this. Man, it's a 4-link back here, air suspension. Very nice. It's so cool. These old trucks, I love them.
I do too.
Wow. So did the owner build this himself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's super cool. Looks like an aluminum block. Is that an aluminum 5.3? Any idea?
I'm not positive. I'd have to see what customers bring their cars. Some of them have a whole stack of records on it. Have to go through that.
Pro built 5.3. Yeah. Love the way it looks. This is an amazing looking rat rod.